This is a brief and informative video about Internet Protocol and IPv4 address classes. An IP or Internet Protocol address is a numerical representation that uniquely identifies a computer or a device on the network. It is like a mailing address which identifies where postal mail comes from and where it should be delivered. IP addresses are expressed in decimal form, that is IPv4, and hexadecimal form, that is IPv6. IPv4 and IPv6 address length is shown here. IPv4 address length is 32-bit long and IPv6 address length is 128-bit long, respectively. IPv4 address has two parts. 1. Network ID. It identifies the network segment to which the host belongs. 2. Host ID. It identifies an individual host on some specific network segment. A host can communicate with other hosts on the same network segment. IPv4 addressing. It is divided into 5 subclasses. That is, Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E addresses. Class A IP address format is shown here. In Class A IP address, in first octet, the first bit is always 0. The remaining 7 bits are used for network ID. The remaining 24 bits are used to determine the hosts. Class A addressing can have 127 networks and 16,777,214 hosts. Class B IP address format is shown here. In Class B IP address, the first 2 bits of the first octet is always set to 1, 0. The remaining 14 bits are used for network ID. The 16 bits of host ID are used to determine the host in any network. Class B addressing can have 16,384 networks and 65,534 hosts. Class C IP address format is shown here. In Class C IP address, the first 3 bits of first octet is always set to 110. The remaining 21 bits are used for network ID. The last 8 bits are used to determine the hosts. Class C addressing can have 2,097,152 networks and 254 hosts. The Class D IP addresses are reserved for multicasting. Here, the first 4 bits of first octet is always set to 1110. And the remaining bits are for the address that interested hosts can recognize. IP addresses belonging to Class E are reserved for experimental and research purposes. The first 4 bits of first octet are always set to 1111. And the remaining 28 bits are for addressing hosts. This is a brief information about IPv4 address classes. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe the channel please.